Digital Boss Academy, also known as DBA. In today's video, I'm going to give you all the info on Digital Boss Academy, so by the end of this video, you will know if it's the right course or program for you. I highly recommend you watch the entire video, because I'm going to go over everything, and you don't want to miss anything important. DBA has been trending as one of the more affordable courses on the market, but is it worth it? Short answer is yes, and here's why. But first, let's talk about what Digital Boss Academy really is. Digital Boss Academy started out as a comprehensive, self-paced online program designed to help individuals start and scale a successful digital product business, teaching complete beginners how to launch and run a successful digital product business from scratch. The reason I said it started out as that is because it is much more than that now. Digital Boss Academy now teaches you how to make multiple income streams, and we'll get into what those income streams are soon. There are 2 volumes to DBA. Volume 1, which teaches more on digital marketing, and Volume 2, which teaches multiple ways to make money online, and includes everything in Volume 1. As great as DBA is, it gets even better because it comes with MRR. If you don't know what MRR is, it stands for Master Resell Rights, and what this does is it gives you the rights to resell the course for 100% profit when you purchase it. So not only do you get to learn from Digital Boss Academy, but you can resell it too, which means it takes just one sale to make back your initial investment. Digital Boss Academy comes with over 50 plus already done for you PLR digital products you can add to your store and resell for 100% profit. If you don't know what PLR is, it stands for Private Label Rights. This is very similar to Master Resell Rights, but the difference is, you'll need to make small changes such as rebranding and modifying the products before reselling. You can often find the private label rights license agreements attached to the front or back of the digital products. The license agreement will tell you what you can and can't do with the digital products. Before we get to who DBA is for and everything that is included in it, let me just go over quickly what digital products are for those of you that don't know. A digital product is a digital good that is created, sold, and purchased online. It's any product that is transferred electronically to the customer. These products can be ebooks, courses, templates, coaching and mentorship services, recipes, books, digital memberships, and more. Now that you guys know what digital products, master resell rights, and private label rights are, let's talk about who Digital Boss Academy is for. Digital Boss Academy is perfect for anyone looking to learn new skills, create new revenue streams, break free from the 9 to 5, and really start and grow an online business from scratch. Even if you already have an online business, there are lots of resources in Digital Boss Academy that can help you scale your business by helping you grow your social media following and attract the right leads and customers. Automate your business to run 24/7 in the background for you, and add more products to your store. Let's take a look at what you get with Digital Boss Academy Volume 1. The module that says Start Here is the first module you'll want to take a look at. This module right here will teach you how to launch your business. This module is going to teach you how to set up your online store in under 60 minutes. It has 3 stores you can choose from: SnipFeed, Stand Store, and Beacons. It also has a module on how to set up a sales funnel with System.io. These 2 modules right here are very important if you want to see success in your business. The Millionaire Mindset module, your mindset is everything, and this module will help you get the right mindset to reach your success. Build a bomb brand. This is where it all starts. There's a lot of value here to help you find your vision and build your brand. I highly recommend going through the mindset and brand building modules before you even think of setting your store up. The digital marketing module is where you'll learn the skills to market your products and use the right content strategies. The email marketing module is where you'll learn how to build an email list so you can market to your subscribers. Building an email list is very important because it gives you a way to connect with your subscribers outside of social media. If your social media account got shut down for some reason, you would lose your followers. But with an email list, your subscribers are your subscribers. The email marketing module also has email templates that are already made for you, so you don't have to struggle with what to write in your emails. All you have to do is make a few edits, and you're good to go. This is the Content Vault. The Content Vault is awesome because it will save you a lot of time. It has over 40,000 done-for-you pieces of content ready to use so you won't be stuck creating content. This is the Private Label Rights Vault. What's inside this vault costs a lot more than the course. With the purchase of Digital Boss Academy, you're getting access to over 50 plus PLR products that you can learn from, modify, and then resell for 100% profit. There are so many done-for-you digital products in here that you can choose from to add to your store if you choose to. The Content Inspiration module has a list of successful content creators you can get inspiration from. The CapCut module is where you'll learn all about video editing, which is a skill that can help your business a lot, and it's a lot simpler than you might think. The Automations module is where you'll learn how to automate your business, which will save you a lot of time. Automations are what helps us to make money passively and run our business smoothly. The Canva editing module is where you'll learn how to edit your digital products in Canva. Most people use TikTok or Instagram to market their products, so you'll want to look at both of these modules to learn how to grow your TikTok and Instagram accounts. In the Instagram module, there's a Kickstart guide that has already made reels you can use when you're just getting started. In the Budgeting Like a Boss module, you'll learn how to shift your mindset, organize your revenue, reduce expenses, and save your funds. In the Business Formation module, you'll learn how to form your business on a professional level. The Credit module is where you'll learn the ins and outs of building and managing both personal and business credit. If you haven't noticed yet, Digital Boss Academy is the complete package. They're giving you all of the resources, and there's still more. You can learn the beauty industry if that's something you're into. I haven't watched any of the videos, but I've seen stuff on makeup, eyebrows, and lashes. There's a module on master resale rights that's coming soon. There's modules on how to get started in the Airbnb space to create passive income. This can generate extra money for you on the side. You can learn how to promote affiliate products to earn an extra income through affiliate marketing. This one might come as a surprise, but it shows how much the creators of Digital Boss Academy went all out for their community. They have a workout class every Monday called Get Fit, Get Fine for the members of their community. They have a lot more scheduled classes too, but we'll get into that later. They have a Spanish module, replays of their live Zoom calls, and a couple of bonuses. As you could see, DBA Volume 1 has an insane amount of value, but it doesn't end there because we're about to take a look inside of DBA Volume 2. But before we get to DBA Volume 2, if you appreciate me making this video for you guys, please like the video so it can get pushed out to more people looking for an opportunity to join a community like Digital Boss Academy, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let's try and get to 500 subscribers. I appreciate the support. Okay, let's take a look inside of Digital Boss Academy Volume 2. Everything I just showed you in Volume 1 is included in Volume 2, plus what I'm about to show you right now. You're going to want to start off by watching the Welcome to DBA Volume 2 module, which will help you get it set up in your store. DBA Volume 2 teaches a lot more than just selling digital products. There's a module on LinkedIn. There's a Shopify training module if you're interested in selling on Shopify. There's a module on printful drop shipping if you're interested in print on demand. A module where you can learn business taxes, individual taxes, and pretty much the whole tax system and finances. There's an advertising module for running ads, a training module on teaching you how to create content that converts, a module going over the back end of content creation. There's even a module on the stock market if stocks are something you're interested in. This module dives even deeper into selling digital products. You can learn how to grow on Pinterest and make money on the platform. If you're someone that does not want to show your face on social media, there's a faceless module. There's a user-generated content for beginners module. There's a module that teaches you how to become a travel agent. There's an entire module for men called Men in Marketing, a module for manifesting, training on how to set up your Etsy shop to sell on Etsy, training on TikTok shop. If you want to go viral on YouTube to grow and monetize your YouTube channel, there's a module for that too. I have no idea what a Turo business is, but if you do, there's a module for that too. ChatGPT will make life so much easier for you, and there's a ChatGPT training module. If you want to create and sell books on Amazon KDP, there's a module for that. There's training on how to become a virtual assistant. These next 3 modules were recently added, so there might be more added after I upload this video. They recently added a daycare and homeschool module, a Facebook monetization module, and a start your own call center module. I'm pretty sure there are still some modules that will be added soon, which include a life insurance module, funnels and AI marketing module, French and German modules, and a module on webinars. As you can see, Volume 2 really expands into more ways to earn an income, and remember, Volume 1 is also included in Volume 2. As of right now, the Digital Boss Academy community has a little over 10,600 members. You will find that everyone in the community is really supportive and helpful. It's a community where everyone wants to see each other win. There's a community tab where you'll find general discussions, share your wins, content check so you can get feedback on your content, captions that convert where members share captions that are working for them, testimonials which we'll get into, new site and logo where members share their logo, and store set up for feedback, a support chat chat, millionaire mindset for motivation, a Spanish chat, and a French chat. Here are some testimonials from community members you can pause the video and take a look at. You'll also find a calendar tab where you can see all the upcoming events like the Get Fit Get Fine workout classes every Monday, Bible study on Wednesdays, sales training, Q&A, and more. You're really never alone in the Digital Boss community. Everything needed for success is right there, including live training. Now that we've taken a look at everything inside of Digital Boss Academy, let's talk about what's most likely on everyone's mind. How much does Digital Boss Academy cost? Digital Boss Academy Volume 1 is $111. For me, that's around 150 Canadian dollars, with payment plans as low as around 13 Canadian dollars a month. Volume 2 is $222. For me, that is around 300 Canadian dollars, with payment plans as low as 27 Canadian dollars a month. And remember, you guys can resell Digital Boss Academy and make back your initial investment in one sale. If you decide to purchase Digital Boss Academy through my link, I have included 2 bonuses to help you guys succeed. The first bonus is my closing deals in the DMs to help you guys close your sales when you're messaging a potential customer. The second bonus is my ultimate email marketing vault. This comes with 92 email marketing templates to save you guys a lot of time when it comes to thinking what to say in your emails. I also run promos where I sometimes offer additional bonuses for my customers after they make a purchase, allowing them to choose 1 or 2 products from a list of products I have. So follow me and message me on Instagram so you don't miss out on getting some valuable stuff to help you on your journey. I'll leave the link for you guys to access both Digital Boss Academy Volumes 1 and 2 down in the description. When you guys click the link down below, it'll take you to my store. If you scroll down a bit, you will see both DBA Volumes 1 and 2. Whichever one you decide to get, click on it, and it'll bring you to the product page. As you can see over here, there are payment plans with Klarna and Affirm, and you can start as low as 27 Canadian dollars a month. If you guys decide to join the community, drop a comment down below and let me know so I can welcome you. If you guys have any questions and need help, message me on Instagram. I'll leave a link to my Instagram in the description. And if you haven't yet, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 500 subscribers. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.